Kyrgyzstan. Global rules in this one, featherweight mixed martial arts. 3 5-minute rounds. The bout is
presented to you by Monster Energy. Unleash the beast. Introducing first, out of the blue corner, training out of Nova União, representing Kyrgyzstan, NURZAMAN ЭШБАЕВ. And introducing his opponent, out of the red corner, training out of Team SUBBA, representing Malaysia, КИАНУ СУББА.
Hi, watch out for the headbutt, low blow, back of the head and spine. You both know the rules. 5 fair, 5 clean, touch go if you want, and back your corner. Right,
NURZAMAN
ЭШБАЕВ
in the red.
Ready?
КИАНУ SUBBA, the little brother of the man to my right, Gianni Suba in the black, as this featherweight mixed martial arts match kicks off.
That's a nice low kick from Suba. ЭШБАЕВ has powerful jabs and a lead hand, so it's a big low kick from ЭШБАЕВ.
ЭШБАЕВ says he wants to go after the legs, says he wants to utilize the hands, keep this thing on the feet. Suba,
yep, pressuring forward ЭШБАЕВ.
Yeah, Suba's trying to get that jab going early on, as soon until Suba enters into that takedown realm.
Moving away from the power fight, power side. Suba has a nice 1-2. Backing away ЭШБАЕВ. That's the game plan. Getting ЭШБАЕV think about the strikes, but another powerful leg kick coming from ЭШBAEV.
ЭШБАЕV is fast out there, heat, the leg kicks, with a beautiful duck under there as Suba tries for the double leg, but a nice little uppercut lands it on the exit.
Nice 1-2 from Suba, enters into the shot, but ЭШBAEV.
Drops him! Right hand, but he falls into an armbar as ЭШBAEV is deep. What a recovery for ЭШBAEV to lock up an armbar as Suba's trying to get his elbow past the groin line. ЭШBAEV is cranking on it. Suba looks to be okay. He's grimacing. ЭШBAEV has got a lock on that arm.
That looks tight, Mitch. Suba needs to get the elbow out.
It's out. It's cleared. It looks like it's cleared. It looks like his elbow is past the groin, but ЭШBAEV is not letting go as Suba's trying to create a little bit of space by driving the knee into the backside. ЭШBAEV, like a dog with a bone, not trying to get off that arm. What a recovery from ЭШBAEV to get dropped with the right hand. Look at him trying to pull that arm back in. Might go for a wrist lock here apparently, but I don't think he's quite got the positioning to make this one count, Gianni.
Suba needs to get the elbow out of the hip line. Right on the ropes. Suba gets out. Great job.
Good job by Suba. Has that single leg. ЭШBAEV throws a knee. And a dramatic exchange here in the first half of this opening round. ЭШBAEV has a headlock here. Suba's trying to work his way out, pops his head out through. Now they're inside the clinch. Suba's looking to take him to the left. ЭШBAEV locks his hands, and so far is keeping this thing on the feet.
Great job by ЭШBAEV to recover and attack with that armbar. But big power showed from Suba in the first round. He has that power in the right hand. And we thought that ЭШBAEV would be at a disadvantage on the ground. He's showing that prowess, that improved wrestling and jiu-jitsu.
Yeah, we've seen that right hand before, Gianni. Against Amir Khan, he was able to get him out of there. Suba carries power in that right hand. Accurate too.
Trying to finish the takedown. ЭШBAEV doing a good job with the underhook, propping Suba up. I like to see Suba push off, throw some strikes, and look to level change again.
Pummeling in, getting the over-under here. Suba's trying to stay nice and tight.
Let's go, guys, work!
He had success with that right hand. I'd like to see him get back to it here. This is a grueling part of the match, though, when these guys are trying to attempt the takedowns and they're clinching like this. It's just that static hold is draining on your body. Definitely gonna wear on the gas tank of both these guys. As EШBAEV exits the clinch, looks to get back to the hands, but now he's got to be aware of the power that Subba carries.
Needs to be patient, cannot chase EШBAEV. He's shown the power, but it's a head kick, but needs a right hand from EШBAEV. He needs to be patient, cannot rush. Because EШBAEV is a striker. He's known to be able to hold his pace in the striking. Big leg kick again, though, from EШBAEV. He's trying to chew at the leg of Subba.
He's airballing with these shots now, though, throwing big, winding shots. I don't know if that, EШBAEV is more of a striker, so those clinch exchanges and that grappling, especially when you pull on an arm like that, trying with all your might to get somebody out of there, it's going to be hard on the gas tank. And now he's swinging a little bit wildly, Gianni. Oh, Subba looks rocked. Oh, he circles out. Beautiful timing, though, but he catches one on the side. EШBAEV touching up Subba as the 10-second clapper goes. Big, wild shots coming from EШBAEV.
They're swinging EШBAEV. That's a nice counter from Subba.
Сайма. Үй интернети менен телевидение. Секундасына 100 мегабитке чейинки ылдамдык. 200дөн ашуун телеканал. Старт жана О кино кинотеатрлары. ТВ приставка акысыз. 55% арзандатуу менен. Бул кыял эмес, чындык. Сайма менен жашооңду ыңгайлуу жана жайлуу кыл. Сайма күйгөз, толугу менен кошул.
To continue.
All right, ready?
Olivier Koss gets this second round underway.
EШBAEV found success towards the latter half of the round with the strikes. Subba yet to have a takedown. EШBAEV light on the feet. Subba prodding forward.
Yeah, with that first round, it'd be hard to judge, based off of the knockdown, right, from Subba, but then those overwhelming shots come from EШBAEV. But if the match would stop right now, I'd have to give it to Subba based on that knockdown. But we're not judging this thing round by round. This match, Global Rules MMA, folks, is judged in its entirety, not round by round. So think of it like one big round. So Subba's now on the back foot as EШBAEV continues to look to push forward. Throwing that big right hook.
EШBAEV swinging wild. He has power, though. He's throwing everything into the shot. Subba needs to be slick with his defense.
I'd like to see EШBAEV get back to those leg kicks as he threatens one right there.
The problem with EШBAEV is he's throwing everything at 100%, not loading up. Not setting him up. Subba a little bit sharper with the strikes, but power, I think, a little bit towards EШBAEV at the moment. That's a right hand.
That was a clean shot coming right through the guard of Subba. He's deceptive. He's throwing these right hands from different angles, Gianni. He's not just throwing them right down the middle. They're wide, right? They're big hooking styles, but then he can also come right down the middle with that straight right as well. But he's trying to get Subba out of there with every single shot he throws. He needs to do some work by setting these shots up. Put the jab out there. Put the leg kick behind it. Nice little two-punch combination. There's the leg kick again, landed by EШBAEV. Subba continuing to close that distance.
But a defense from EШBAEV beats a knee. Nice defense showed by EШBAEV.
Nice entry into the takedown, but great takedown defense. That work over Nyon is paying off.
Every time he ducks the head, we need to frame
He says he's been working hard on his anti-wrestling, the ability to defend takedowns, keep this thing on the feet.
EШBAEV taking some deep breaths. First round was such a high pace, and EШBAEV swinging with everything he has as well, with all the strikes. Let's see how he keeps it up. Subba at the moment staying on the outside, looking to land something significant. Jab hand out, behind the range. It's a big swing again.
These guys are going to have to get busy, otherwise Olivier Koss is going to issue a warning. That's what Subba needs to do. Put those hand combinations together. Wouldn't mind seeing him throw some kicks too.
Every time Subba feints, Subba's able to see it, but he needs to capitalize on the opportunity, right? Feint, see the hand is low. He's got the right hand over again when EШBAEV bites on the feints. I like to see him drop that right hand over the guard and hurt him again.
He was thinking about it right there.
That's a left hook from Subba. Set up by that jab.
Suba's kind of just headhunting right now. No work to the body, no leg kicks.
Touch with your lead hand, you know you can throw. There it is.
He's headhunting, trying to get that back. I think he found, there's a leg kick. He found success with the right hand. I think he wants that knockout feel back.
Yeah, that's the problem sometimes with chasing a knockout. You got to set up the shots for Suba at the moment. Needs to go back to the jabs. Eshbaev looking to land a big shot. Drop the leg kick. Right hand from Suba.
90 seconds, Keys.
Leg kick by Suba.
Yes, that's what Suba needs. Puts the hand combinations together with the leg kicks. And then, when Eshbaev is defended, that's when he shoots in there for the leg, the takedown.
That jab's coming, that's catching the back hand. It's very successful.
Nice jab landed by Suba. Eshbaev circles back.
Suba's got to push a little bit more here. Last minute of the fight. No knockdown. I think that was a push from Eshbaev. Just loses balance a little bit.
What do you like you're seeing from Eshbaev here?
I like the strikes, right? He's being patient. Even though the volume's not high, he's landing more than Suba. But again, Suba needs to change the pace of this fight. That's a left hand from Suba.
45 seconds, Keanu.
Suba doesn't quite have the same pop that he has usually. Typically, he's a lot more peppy in his punches. Things come out with a little bit more snap.
Not throwing enough at the moment. Still putting the pressure on Eshbaev.
It's important the judges look at aggression. Heavily. Oh, but Suba goes down again off of a big right hand as Eshbaev.
That was to the chest.
10 seconds left for goes. Suba's got to scramble. Suba's got to move. Suba's got to extend the legs. Look to grapple. Oh, saved by the bell. You're in the corner of both gentlemen. What do you say? You've been in the corner of Suba a lot. What does he need to do here?
He needs to have a big takedown here in the third round. Score with something significant. Eshbaev, if he can push the pace a little bit more, could hurt Suba. There's a winging right hand. Suba needs to capitalize, though. Every time Eshbaev makes these big winging errors, KIANU's not capitalizing yet. I think this is a big third round for both men. Big knockdown from Suba. Big finish to the second round from Eshbaev. Third round, up for grabs. Could determine the winner. That's a left hook from Suba.
Do you think Eshbaev did enough work in the second to work his way ahead into the scorecards?
He doesn't want that heat.
There was a big salvo at the end here with the ground and pound. It's a big combination. Eshbaev, you see the damage on the nose of Eshbaev from the jab to Suba.
Landed some big wide hooks and he kicks to the body, going liver hunting. Eshbaev applying a lot of pressure, trying to cut off the angles for Suba.
But Eshbaev knows if he overreaches, Suba can take him down.
Olivier Coste urges both athletes to start working here in the third and final round of this action-packed featherweight mixed martial arts event. Big land coming through the guard is that left hook of Eshbaev as Suba looks to counter.
We're not touching the body.
Looking to land the overhand, but needs to follow up with the left hook. Eshbaev sees that Suba's looking to land that big counter shot.
Both gentlemen are headhunting right now. A little bit of damage on the head of KIANU SUBBA. Snaps the head back of Eshbaev, and Eshbaev lands two nice punches as that 3-2 combination is fired off. As he follows it up again with the left hand down the middle off the switch stance, and then goes up top with the head kick. Suba's got to be careful.
From Suba, counters.
Suba's got to move, man. He does not want to stand in front of Eshbaev like this.
Eshbaev, some solid striking. Powerful punches shown by Eshbaev. Throwing power, that's a nice 1-2 from Suba. Right hand again from Suba. That's better work, he needs to use more of that. Eshbaev swings and misses. They need to fight down on the mouthpiece halfway through this final round. It's up for grabs. See Suba fighting down on the mouthpiece now. He needs to chase this fight. Left hook, lands by Eshbaev. I'd like to see KIANU look again for a takedown and wing and right hand misses for Eshbaev again.
Yeah, Eshbaev is still throwing with some heat here in the final round. Looking to get Suba out of there, but easier said than done. Suba's got an ironclad chin. He's putting it to work here tonight as he closes the distance. Looks to put the jab out there, throwing a lot of fangs. Eshbaev comes right down the middle with the right hand.
2 minutes, baby. 2 That hurt him. Let's go. Walk him down.
Subba looks to be aiming for the temple of Eshbaev with that right hand.
Feint, go. Yes,
Big combination landed. 2 punches clean to the side of the head.
Eshbaev doing well when he follows up with the combination. Subba throwing ones and twos. Subba needs a big takedown, I think. Right hand by Subba, but Eshbaev pushes back.
Frame, right elbow.
1 minute here in the final round. Right hand from Subba.
Eshbaev throwing with heat right away. Touches it with the right hand off the switch stance. Lands again with that overhand right.
Looping shots from Eshbaev landing. Subba landing straighter shots. There's the power of Eshbaev. There's a hook again from Eshbaev. Both men trading in the middle as we enter the last 30 seconds. Kick in the right hand right in the nose of Eshbaev.
Subba going out top with the 1-2. Going for the head kick. These two just trading in the center. Nice stiff jab landed by Eshbaev. Big shots. Keanu is showing off the beard tonight. Taking the best shots, walking through them.
Stab his face. Stab.
This bout is not judged on toughness. It's judged on successful striking and overall aggression.
By Monster Energy. Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of battle, we turn now to the judges' scorecards. All 3 judges have called this contest in favor of your winner by unanimous decision. НУРЗАМАN